If you're seeing the ChatGPT too many redirects error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is usually caused by a browser cookie problem, a VPN, or an extension interfering with the logging process. And the good news is that most people can solve it in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and easy software guides. Now, let's jump right in. The first and most important step is to clear your cookies and cache. In many cases, this redirect loop happens because your browser has old or broken session data saved for ChatGPT. To fix that, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Security, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cookies and cache, and then clear them. Once that's done, completely restart your browser before trying ChatGPT again. This step alone fixes the redirect issue for a lot of users because it removes the corrupted login data that keeps sending the browser in circles. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to try is opening ChatGPT in Incognito mode. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private window. Then go back to ChatGPT and try logging in from there. Incognito mode is useful because it skips your saved cookies and extensions, giving you a clean browser session. If ChatGPT opens normally in Incognito, that's a strong sign that the issue is coming from your regular browser data or one of your extensions. Next, disable your VPN and any browser extensions that may be interfering. VPNs can sometimes trigger connection or region issues that cause redirects, and extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers can break the login flow. Turn off your VPN first, then temporarily disable any extensions you have installed. After that, refresh the page and try signing in again. If ChatGPT starts working, you can turn the extensions back on one by one to find out which one was causing the issue. If you still see the redirect error after that, try another browser. For example, if you were using Firefox, switch to Chrome or Edge. If you're on a computer and the browser keeps looping, you can also try logging in from your mobile browser. This helps you figure out whether the issue is specific to one browser or device. Sometimes a browser update, a bad extension, or a stored session conflict can cause redirects on one browser but not another. A good troubleshooting tip is to also make sure your browser is fully updated. An outdated browser can sometimes have compatibility issues with web apps like ChatGPT. So if the problem continues, check for updates, restart the browser again, and try one more time. In a lot of cases, combining these steps clears up the redirect loop completely. So to quickly recap, first clear cookies and cache, then restart your browser. Second, open ChatGPT in Incognito mode. Third, disable your VPN and extensions. And fourth, try another browser or device. These are the most reliable fixes for the ChatGPT too many redirects issue, and one of them usually solves it fast. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides and AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.